Hey, good afternoon. Brian here. Thought I'd do another live. Why not? What the heck? It's been kind of an interesting day. If you're in San Antonio, you know it's been dumping rain this morning. I shared a video of an area downtown that's basically underwater. I mean, growing up in Washington, we have all our rain and everything, but in Texas, when it rains, it legitimately rains like several inches at a time. So pretty crazy stuff today. And I had to take my cat who got bit by another cat into the vet this morning. So it's kind of just been a crazy day. But while I was there at the vet, I was thinking, you know, why not do a quick live? I'd say Facebook, but I'm on YouTube and LinkedIn and Telegram and a couple of Facebook pages. And X, I'm all over the place. But what I wanted to go over was the whole COSTAR prompting that I talked about the other day. One of the coolest things is all of these large language models, these AIs, quote unquote, is they can write code for you. And that's why I like Claude a lot. If you're not familiar with Claude, find it. You can become an instant coder. All you have to do is really, for all intents and purposes, tell it what you want, and it will write the code for you. And if you know how to put the code somewhere, it'll do something. So I actually made a Chrome extension a couple of weeks ago. It's not public. It's not something you can buy in the, or access in Google, but I will give it to you if you ask me. But what I want to do in this live, while we're here together, I want to show you how it works and show you what the results are. It's actually pretty cool, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I can't show you a live screen of me working with the extension because for whatever security reasons, I think Google doesn't actually allow me to share the drop down from the extension. So I did some screenshots. You can see what it looks like. So let's go and show you what I'm talking about. So here's the COSTAR prompt generator. And if you were to click on the icon for, your Google Chrome extension, this is what it would look like. So it spells out COSTAR's context, objective, style, tone, audience, and response format. So this is just what it looks like. So the next is if I had it filled in, we're saying we want, the context is AI technology promises significant benefits, blah, blah, blah. I really just kind of copied and pasted stuff. I want to write a persuasive article, make it conversational, make it a friendly tone, write it for small businesses, and write in paragraphs, and use bullet points to highlight key points. Now, keep in mind, all we are doing is creating a prompt because so many people, when they're doing prompts, just post something, hey, I want this. And whether you're using ChatGPT or Claude or Perplexity or Copilot or whatever, a lot of times you find your results really aren't that good. And it's just because there's just not enough structure to it. So go to the next screen here, and you can see that this is the actual prompt that was generated. So let me pop over to ChatGPT, and I will show you in real time what we come up with. So here is ChatGPT, and here is the script that I copied and pasted already. And what we'll do here is just we'll click on it, make it run, and based on that prompt, now we're going to write a a quick little article. So AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer for businesses of all sizes, especially small businesses like yours. You might be wondering how AI can make a tangible difference in your operations. Now, of course, just like every time, I would say, read through this, rewrite it, do whatever, and make it what you want it to be. So I'm going to do this a second time. I'm going to copy this, copy that. Literally doing the same thing. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm changing it from bullet points to just giving me paragraphs. So I generated the prompt. I'm copying it to my clipboard, and now you should be able to see me paste it in here. We're going to write another article, and instead of bullet points and numbers and all of that list stuff, it should just write an article in paragraph format. So here we go. So it's got the title, it's got subtitles. So let's be honest, running a small business is no easy feat. You're juggling countless responsibilities, from managing day-to-day operations to planning for growth, yada, yada, boosting customer engagement. Think about your customers. They want to feel understood and valued. And that's where AI comes in. AI-powered tools can help you engage with your customers on a whole new level. So this article, rather than typing in, hey, write an article about how ChatGPT can help my business, use the prompt and it'll actually write out, write the COSTAR prompt generator. It'll write out that prompt for you so you can actually get a real result. So there's an article, and it only took a couple of minutes. So if you want the COSTAR prompt generator for your Google Chrome, shoot me a message. I will get it over to you. It's it'll be a zip file, and I'll give you instructions on how to install that in Google Chrome. I've been using it, just if I have a quick thought in my mind, it's like, okay, hey, I need to write an article for these people. Let's do this. And then it generates it. Now, again, let me reiterate, never take anything from ChatGPT or from Claude or from whatever platform you're using at face value. Always go and reread it, edit it, make it human, because if you read a lot of stuff on the internet, you can tell what is and is not generated by AI. So, massage it, make it your own, and clean it up, to make it sound more human-like, because that's really, really important. Anyway, that's it. I am going to go and get some other stuff done for you. In the meantime, if you're just hopping on, hey, it's been 8.5 minutes. You should have jumped on sooner. Just kidding. No, watch this again, because, this prompt generator is really, really good. It's based on an award-winning formula. Somebody won some award in South Korea 6 months or so ago, and it'll just help with your output just that much better. So that's it for me for today. Hope you have a great rest of your day. If you're in San Antonio, watch out for the flooding.